Oh, good evening, everybody. We are here sort of taking analysis of everything that happened to us over the past couple of days. Pretty amazing. We hadn't had any real rainfall since July of last year, and then all of a sudden in 2 days, but it was a record holder for a lot of people. Storm total, this is for the whole week basically, 3.75 at the Victoria Airport. Corpus Christi got 3 inches, Placido got 2.45. 3 inches down in Port Lavaca. They did get a lot down there along the Matagorda County area, and Goliad got 4 inches of rainfall. Let me show you what happened in the valley. This is just unprecedented. Brownsville's down here, McAllen's like about here, and all of these towns, and you know they're all sort of lined up in a row, so that would be Far, San Juan, Alamo, Weslaco. They got up to 19 inches of rain, a year's total, in the last day or so, and massive flooding has been occurring here. All of these places have water 2 feet high in many areas. Homes, cars flooded. It's really a catastrophe down there. It's a hurricane without a hurricane. How about that? The rainfall was just tremendous. Now here's the city. You can see right there a few lingering sprinkles here, but the main event is now pushed off to the east, and they're of course having their problems. Here's the Louisiana state line right about there, and just getting into the Lake Charles area, we've got some severe thunderstorms popping part of that system. Here's another view of it. Here is Victoria. You can see how we do have some shower activity left over down in Matagorda County, but the main event is now up here. Excuse me. That all of this in red that you see here, that's a tornado watch. So it's a big concern for them for the next few hours. As you can see, the stormy weather now rolling up there, but things have settled down for us. Atmosphere is quieting down, and things should be much nicer as we head on into the weekend. In the valley, they're going to be picking up the pieces for a long time. So again, this is a tornado watch. Of course, this over here in Louisiana is a flood advisory. So as we take a look at our clouds and radar, you can see how the center of the system that caused all that thing, you can almost see it right about there. And like I said, it's like a hurricane without a hurricane, and all of the big stuff's now rolling east. Had a little frontal system up here in the Rockies. It is going to be here on Monday. It's not a huge thing, but it will bring us some drier air, and that will actually cool us down for just a tad. I mean, it's more dry air than any kind of cooling. Here's Future Tracker, a sprinkle or two possible along the immediate coastline left over from yesterday's rain. And then by the time we get to the weekend, we're looking partly cloudy and looking a lot better. Here's a Future Tracker. You can see the clouds beginning to thin out, and you can see how all that stormy weather is pulling away. For tomorrow in Port Lavaca, looking pretty good. A little sprinkle or shower. These are very light left over. Otherwise, you'll see a little sun getting you up into the 80s. Cuero, you're getting a little sun after a morning clouds of fog. And then our 7-day forecast will show you how we are looking at improving weather. Partly cloudy for Saturday, Sunday, high in mid-80s. And through the next 7 days, there's just a sprinkle chance possibility on Monday with that little front. That's your 7-day forecast.